Let's draw our isosceles trapezoid, and we'll draw our altitude CF and one of our congruent diagonals. We want to find this distance from E to F, so I'd like to figure out where is E on this diagram. So we'll start by estimating some of these distances to get a ballpark. Here, if we compare the distance from D to E and the distance from D to B, we have that E is farther away from D than the diagonal of our isosceles trapezoid. This is going to be a circle that has D at its center, and the radius is 30√7, so that means E is somewhere on this green circle. I'll draw in the rest of the trapezoid. Since this distance is smaller, B is going to be inside of the circle. E is going to be somewhere on this smaller circle centered at A, so like maybe here or here. By triangle inequality, we have that this distance from D to E is also less than or equal to the sum of these two other sides. And we'll fill in the side lengths that we know and solve for AD. Let's draw this isosceles trapezoid again. We have this 60-degree angle down here at vertex D. If we let theta be this angle here up top, theta is going to be acute, so its sign will be positive, and we'll use the law of sines on triangle ACD. We have again that AD is greater than or equal to 20√7, so I'll replace the sine of 60 degrees, and we'll solve for the sine of theta. This means that the sine of theta is equal to 1, which means theta is a 90-degree angle. This is terrific because it produces a lot of 30, 60, 90 triangles. So let's redraw our triangle ACD with a right angle here at C, and it's 30, 60, 90. This was the diagonal of our trapezoid. We'll divide by √3 and multiply by 2 to get this length AD. In the problem statement, we're given that AE is 10√7. Adding these, we get 30√7, which was also given as the distance from D to E. So it turns out that E is on the line that passes through A and D. We're asked to find the distance from E to F. So we'll just create another 30, 60, 90 triangle, which gives us that AF is 15√7, and we'll plug in these distances to get 25√7. So M plus N is 32. If you'd like me to solve any other math contest problems, please leave them in the comments.